to my channel. My name is Jimmy Lee, and today I'm going to post another video by eating chips. Yeah, eating chips, I don't know. Yeah, I'm eating chips. I don't know what to do, so I'm going to eat chips. And be sure to check out my friend channel, even though I'm live. Even if he's not my friend, he's not that exclusive into a big deal. Yes, maybe I'll about what I like, how fudge. Let's talk about how you talk about all about me. And here's my picture. See right there. That's me. That's Kevin, my brother. That's my picture. I'm gonna eat some fun chips. So you can see, it's back with me. Or John, or Johnny. If you're watching this, Devin or Johnny, if you're watching it, smash that like button. Hit the bell. Okay, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell, like, and share. And comment down below what video should I make next. Alright. It's actually spicy. Just kidding. I'm gonna get my mom. I'm gonna get my phone. I can't find my phone. Come with me. Fidget spinner to my head, tomato. I know my fidget spinner to my head. I know I was. What the frick is my phone? The heck? I love fidget spinner to my tomato. Nothing new. I'm with some chips. Right. Can you guess my favorite color? In 10 seconds. If you okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you said white, it's the right answer. Alright. What do I like to put my hair color on the top, but black on the bottom side? I'm coughing. I'm not sick or anything. These chips. I was not coughing earlier. This is not stressing or anything. But I'm for some. Or drink some milk because I can't find my water. I'm drinking milk, by the way. Into okay. Let's see. What question should I ask you guys? Maybe I should do a Q&A. Maybe. Let's smash the like button. Ask the question down below in this channel right now. And my hair's getting so bad. I hate my hair. Oh yeah, I forgot my other questions. What do I like when my hair? What color? When I like when my hair's on the side, and only black on the side. But what color on the top? I don't think you guys know what it is. The frick. Put China. Bro, China. Sad things. You just kidding. That's not so true. Me, Alex, and Johnny made out. One. Sorry for that. The camera's not focusing that good. And you can see in my eyes that something right. And even though you guys can see my Charizard tattoo, even though I love gone, I'll give you my favorite Lucario. Lucario, Lugia, that's my favorite Pokemon now. Rayquaza, Gengar, my best favorite Pokemon. And Sceptile. Always. But my favorite is Sceptile or Gengar. Free. Just love it. And if I have a phone in the bathroom like that, my mom's in the bathroom. He did like you don't care. He did like you ain't scared. He did like you don't care. He did like you know you're lit. It was so different. Welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. You're very back to my people I was watching. Right. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a week. Because I will tell you my first video ever. Oh, you go back to my first video. But don't get out of this video. Watch to the end. Then go to my first. I'll be back.
Chứ họ không được một mình đấy.
Cannot listen. Cut her voice. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you later. I love it just when I love it. I've seen it. Freaker. It's a video, bro. I'm choose it. Ready? But stop me. Just kidding. Get rid of no. I know how to do it. They cut the camera off. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and turn on notification. And comment down below what game should I do next. Or these are people. I don't know. What's up? Peace.